Okay, so magandang araw. Bali, ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay yung mga rules for differentiation. Okay? So, rules for differentiation, ano nga ba yung mga yon? Differentiation. So, one is yung tinatawag na the constant rule, no? So, one is the constant rule. Ano nga ba yung the constant rule na yan? Okay, the constant rule. Ang ibig sabihin yan, ang derivative ng constant is 0, no? Yeah. For example, ano ang derivative? For example, find the derivative of, halimbawa, find the derivative of 5. Of course, since yung 5 natin is constant, so 0 yan. So, any number that is constant, 0. Okay? Next is yung tinatawag naman na ano yung number 2. Number 2 ay yung tinatawag na the identity function rule. Okay? Paano naman yung the identity function rule? Function rule, that is the derivative ng x is equal to 1. Okay? Or pwede rin naman na derivative ng for example c times u is equal to c multiplied by ddx ng u, in which yung u natin can be a function of x, no? For example, lagay tayo ng example dito. Find the derivative ng 5x, for example. So pwedeng maging 5 and then dx ng x. So magiging 5 times ito, derivative ng x is 1. So magiging 5 na lang siya. Okay? Ayan. Ano pang sunod? Then yung tinatawag naman na, sige, unahin na natin yung tinatawag na power rule. Power rule. Okay? In which the derivative ng u raised to n is equal to n u raised to n less 1, then ayan. Okay? What else? Ano pa ba? This is du over dx pa to. Okay? Sige, magbigay tayo ng mga halimbawa ng power rule. For example, example 1. Find dy over dx if y equals 3x cubed. Okay? Yan. So we let u is equal to x cubed, no? So du, okay, is equal to 3, yung exponent niya bababa, di ba? Ayan, no? Ito, yung u pupunta dito sa may tabi niya. So 3, then x, mababawasan yung exponent niya ng 1. So magiging 3 less 1 is 2. And then yung derivative nito is dx. So du over dx is equal to 3x square. Okay, so balik tayo dun sa formula na ito. So dy over dx is equal to 3 Okay, kasi nga this is tawag dito, yung kung babalikan natin yung ito kanina yung constant na ito. Okay, yan. Pwedeng ano na lang siya, ihiwalay doon sa derivative. Since constant naman yan, no? So parang coefficient, okay? Si 3 and then yung derivative ng x cube is 3, oops, bakit nawala? Tama, 3x square. Okay? So yan ay magiging, ang dy over dx natin is equal to 9x square. So yan yung magiging dy dx natin. Ano pa ba? Example, magbigay pa tayo ng example for power rule. Okay, so example 2. For example, y is equal to 3x square plus 1 raised to 3. Okay? So, power rule pa rin to. We let u equals 3x square plus 1. So, kukunin natin yung derivative niyan. This is 3 multiplied by, ito, magiging 2x. Yung 2 natin magiging 1 na lang, yung exponent niya. Kasi nga 2 minus 1, diba? Okay, plus 0. And then, dx. Bakit 0, sir? Kasi yung derivative ng constant ay 0. So, du over dx is equal to 6x na lang siya. Okay? Ayan. So, balik tayo dun sa formula ng power na ang derivative ng u raised to n is equal to n, u raised to n less 1, and then du dx. So, yan ay magiging, yan natin. So, dy over dx is equal to n. Ano ba yung n natin? Yung exponent, di ba? Yung si 3. Tapos, u, ano ba yung u natin? Ang u natin ay ito, 3x square plus 1. 3x square plus 1. Tapos, mababawasan yung kanyang exponent. Okay, so from 3, ito, yung 3 natin dito, magiging 2 na lang siya. So, nabawasan ng 1. Okay. Tapos, n. Tapos, u raised to n less 1, and then, du over dx. So, n, ano yung n natin? 3. Yan. So, ito siya. Tapos, u raised to n less 1, ang u natin ay ito. Tapos, ang n less 1 natin is yung 2. So, 3 less 1 is 2. And then, ang du over dx natin is 6x. 6x. So, dy over dx is equal to 18x and then 3x square plus 1 raised to 2. Okay? So, yan yung sagot for example number 2. Okay? Another example for power. Madami yan eh. Maghanap pa tayo ng another example for power. Example ay yung mayroong square root, for example, kaya. Yan. For example, example 3. So, y is equal to, for example, 3x square plus 2. 3x plus 2 na lang muna. No? Ayan. So, kung kukunin natin yung derivative, pwedeng gawin ganito yan, di ba? So, 3x plus 2. So, yung square root yan, ang exponent natin dito ay 1/2. Diba? Now, power formula ulit. We let u is equal to 3x plus 2. So, yung du is equal to 3 dx. Oops. Tablet, sir. 3 dx plus 0. So, du over dx is equal to 3. Okay, so balik tayo din sa formula ng derivative ng u raised to n is equal to n, u raised to n less 1, and then du dx. Okay, so dy over dx is equal to, n, ano ba yung n natin? Yung 6 exponent. Okay, so 1/2. And then ano yung u natin? Ang u natin ay 3x plus 2. Okay? N less 1, yung n natin ay 1/2. So magma-minus tayo ng 1. So 2 over 2 is equal to 1, no? And then multiply it by du over dx. Ano ba yung du over dx natin? That is 3. Okay? And then punta tayo dito. So dy over dx is equal to 3 over 2 and then 3x plus 2 raised to, so 1/2 plus 2 over 2 is negative 1/2. Okay? So ayusin natin. So dy over dx is equal to 3 over 2 3x plus 2 raised to 1/2. Diba kapag sa algebra, kapag ibababa natin yung exponent, magiging positive na siya. Okay. So yan. So another power rule. Okay? Another example for power rule. Sige, damihan natin. We let y, for example, y is equal to 4 over 2x plus 1 raised to 3. Okay, di ba pwede natin gawin ganito to? 4 and then itaas natin si 2x plus 1. Kaya lang yung exponent na magiging negative 3. Yan, kung babalikan natin yung ating algebra. Okay? So din si coefficient, pwede na natin ihiwalay ito. Ang kunin lang natin ang derivative ay ito. Okay? So we let u is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay? So du is equal to 2 dx. Yan. And then du over dx is equal to 2. So balik tayo dun sa formula ng derivative ng power. Okay, ang derivative ng u raised to n is n, u to n less 1, and then du over dx. Okay? Paano ba yung n natin? So dy over dx is equal to, ano ba yung n? Negative 3, di ba? Oops! Huwag kalimutan si constant or si coefficient 4. So 4. Okay, and then ang n natin is negative 3. And then ang u natin ay, ano ba yung u natin? Ito, 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. And then magma-minus tayo ng 1 sa exponent. Ang exponent natin ay 3 plus 1, so magiging negative 4 times du over dx is 2. So pala yung 2. Du over dx, so 2. Ayan. So magiging negative 24 2x plus 1 raised to negative 4. Or kung ayusin natin, dy over dx is equal to negative 24 over 2x plus 1 raised to 4. O, ayan. So, power formula. Nakakasawang power formula. May nakalimutan pala akong isingit. Yun yung sum and difference rule. Difference rule. Okay, ganito lang naman to. Halimbawa, ang derivative ng u plus minus b is equal to d du, derivative ng u plus minus b, no? Ayan. For example, derivative ng, find the derivative ng, for example, ay 2x plus 3x square. Okay, so magiging derivative ng, ilabas na natin yung 2x tapos plus 3, tapos ito ay derivative ito ng x square. Ayan, so magiging 2, okay, 2 plus, power formula, magiging 3 times 2x. So, magiging 2 plus 6x. Okay? Ayan. Sum and difference. Sum and difference rule. Okay, pasingit lang yan, no? Okay? So, ano pa? Yung product rule. Paano naman yung product rule? Number 5, product rule. Ang product rule ganito. For example, we have derivative ng u tsaka b, in which yung u tsaka b natin are a function of x. Ito ay magiging b du over dx plus u db over dx. Ayan. Sige, example tayo. Sa pangilang example na ba to? Example 6. Okay? So, doon muna tayo sa simple, no? For example, y is equal to, paano kaya to? 3x squared times 2x plus 1. Okay? Actually, pwede natin i-distribute to, no? Okay, sige. So, unahin na lang muna natin yung product rule. So, tanggalin na lang muna natin yung separate muna natin yung 3, no? Okay? We let u is equal to x squared, and then du is equal to 2x dx. So, power formula, no? So, du over dx is equal to 2x. Okay? For b naman natin, ang b naman ngayon natin dyan ay si 2x plus 1. So, db is equal to 2 dx, okay? 2 dx plus 0. So, db over dx is equal to 2. Okay, so kompleto na. Meron na tayong du dx tsaka db dx. So, derivative ngayon so dy over dx is equal to b. Ano ba yung b natin? 2x plus 1. Ito yung b natin, ha. Tapos ano yung du over dx natin? Ang du over dx natin ay 2x. Okay, so tapos na tayo dito sa part na ito. Plus, u, ano yung u natin? Ang u natin ay x squared. Oy, nakalimutan nilagay yung 3. 3, tapos nasa na tayo? U, no? U. So, x squared. And then, ang db over dx natin ay 2. Ayan. Okay. So, magiging 3. Tapos, pwede ba nating distribute to? Or expand? Sige, ganyan na lang muna. 2x. Then, 2x plus 1 plus 2x squared. Okay? So kung i-cross multiply kung ipapasok natin to or i-expand natin, magkakaroon ka ng x squared, no? So pwede natin i-combine dito. Ayan. So expand na lang natin, no? Sige. So magiging ang dy over dx is equal to 3 multiplied by 4x squared plus 2x plus 2x squared. Ayan. Okay, combine like terms, magiging 6x squared plus 2x. So, magiging, factor out natin yung 2. So, magiging, factor out. Sige, factor out natin yung 2. 3 ito. Factor out yung 2, magiging 3x squared plus x. So, 6 and then 3x squared plus x. So, yan yung ating dy over dx. So, product rule, no? Product rule. Now, pwede naman nating i-expand ito. Balikan natin yung problem. Asan na yun? Ito. 3x squared, 2x plus 1. Pwede naman nating expand yun. Y equals 3x squared tapos 2x plus 1. Okay? So, expand natin. Multiply natin ito. Yan. And then dito doon. So, ang magiging y natin dyan is equal to 6x cubed plus 3x squared. Then, after na ma-expand, pwede na natin kunin yung kanyang derivative. Okay? So, dy over dx is equal to 12, di ba? 12. So, 18 pala to. Kasi nga, 6 ito, tapos yung derivative ng x cube is 3x square. Yan. Plus 3 tapos 2x. Ayan. Then, ang dy over dx natin is magiging 18x square plus 6x. Oops, bakit parang iba yung sagot natin? Yun, nakaano pala dun yung 6, no? So, factor out natin si 6. So, magiging 3x square plus x. So, parehas lang, no? So, dy over dx. So, kung gagamitan natin ng expansion tsaka ng product rule. Okay? So, maghanap pa tayo ng ibang example for product rule. Yung medyo may pagka-complicated. Hanap tayo ng product rule. Ayun, sige, may nahanap na ako. So, example 6 ata to. Product rule pa rin. Example 6. Okay. Example 6 is or balik tayo sa balik muna tayo sa tinatawag na power rule. Okay, power rule. Maghanap tayo ng may square root. Ito. Power rule pa rin tayo, For example, y equals cube root ng 2x square less 7. Okay? So, pwede natin i-rewrite ito as 2x square less 7 raised to 1/3. Tama? Ayan. Sige. So, we let u, kung kukunin natin yung derivative, we let u equals 2x square less 7. Oops. U pala yan. U ito. And then, take the derivative, du equals, so 2 multiplied by derivative ng x square is 2x. So, dx less 0. So, du over dx equals 4x. Ayan. So, balik na tayo sa formula na ang derivative ng u raised to n is equal to n, u raised to n less 1, and then du over dx. Okay, so dy over dx equals, ang n natin ay si 1/3, no? 1/3. Times u, ano yung u natin? Ito, 2x square less 7. And then n, 1/3. Dito tayo banda sa may n less 1, 1/3 less 1. Ano ba ang 1 natin? Ipaparesan kay 3 over 3. Okay, multiplied by du over dx is 4x. So, magiging 4 over 3x and then 2x square less 7 raised to negative 2 over 3. Yan. So, kung aayusin natin, ang dy over dx natin magiging is equal to 4x over 3 and then 2x square less 7 raised to 2 over 3. So, yan yung ating sagot. For example number 6 ata to. Yan. So, power formula. Ang dami na nating example for power formula. No? Yung product, tsaka na lang natin ituloy. Okay? Another, maghanap pa tayo ng power formula. Ano pa ba? O yung ito, example 7. Dami, no? For example, y is equal to 3x squared less 4x plus 1 raised to 5. Okay? Ayan. So, power formula ulit, we let u is equal to 3x squared less 4x plus 1. So, du is equal to 3 and then derivative ng x squared is 2x less 4. Okay? Oops, lagay pala natin yung dx. dx less 4, ang derivative ng x ay dx plus 0. Okay? Ayan. So, mangyayari, ang du natin dyan is equal to 6x dx less 4 dx. Or factor out yung dx, du over dx is equal to 6x less 4. Okay, so yan yung du over dx natin na. Now, balik ulit tayo dun sa formula ng power. This is equal to n, u raised to n less 1 and then du over dx. Okay, so dy over dx is equal to n. Ano yung n natin? 5. Ito. And then u, ano yung u? 3x squared less 4x plus 1. Okay, yan yung u natin. And then n less 1. So magiging 5 less 1 is 4. Then du over dx, this is 6x less 4. Ayan. Okay. So pwede natin i-factor out yung 2 doon sa may 6x less 4, no? So dy over dx is equal to 5. Then, factor out natin si 2. Dito kay 6x less 4, magiging 3x less 2. Okay? And then, tsaka natin ihuli si 3x squared less 4x plus 1 raised to 4. Okay? So, magiging 10. Tapos, 3x less 4. And then, 3x squared less 4 and then raised to 4. So, yan yung dy over dx. Okay? So, ayan. Ang dami na nating example for power formula. Ano pa ba? Ano pa ba yung pwede nating example sa power formula? Wala naman na akong maisip, no? Okay, so, ano pa ba? O, eto. Sige, another formula. O, another problem. Example 7. Example 8 ata to. Example 8. So, power formula pa rin, no? For example, we have y equals cube root ng x squared. O, yan. Less 4 over x cube. Okay? So, apply na natin ngayon dito yung sum. Difference rule, no? Okay? So, difference rule. So, first, kunin muna natin yung derivative nito and then sunod natin yung derivative nito. So, unahin muna natin ngayon yung derivative ng eto. Okay? So, ang derivative ng x raised to 2 over 3 to, di ba? Kung sisimplify natin, ay equal sa power formula 2 over 3, di ba? Ayan. Yung exponent niya, ibaba, itabi, and then x raised to 2 over 3, okay, minus 1. 3 over 3, multiply it by yung derivative nito which is 1. Okay? Ayan. So, ang derivative ng x raised to 2 over 3 is equal to 2 over 3x raised to, ano to? 1/3 na. Sige. Ayusin muna natin. Magiging 2 over 3 x raised to negative 1/3, di ba? Yan. So, yan ay magiging 2 over 3x raised to 1/3. So, okay na tayo dyan dito banda. Next naman ay C4x cubed. Ang derivative ng 4 over x cubed, di ba pwede natin gawin ganito, dx. dx ng 4x raised to negative 3. Okay? So, power formula magiging So, magiging 4 multiplied by yung exponent ibababa, negative 3, and then x raised to negative 3 less 1. Tapos, derivative nito is 1. Ayan, derivative ng x. So, magiging negative 12x raised to negative 4. Okay? So, magiging negative 12 over x raised to 4. So, yung final answer natin, dy over dx is equal to, ano ba yung derivative nito kanina? Ayan, no? Ayan. 2 over 3x raised to 1/3 minus. Bakit minus, sir? Kasi nga minus yun, no? Ito. Minus. Ayan, minus. So, minus minus negative 12 over x raised to 4. So, the final answer natin, so the final answer for dy over dx, so dy over dx is equal to 2 over 3x raised to 1/3 plus 12 over x raised to 4. Alright. So, ang dami na nating sample for power formula. Okay, so next na topic natin ay tuloy natin yung product rule. Okay, thank you for listening.